Hello, and welcome to Module 2, Working with Sprites. Today we're going to be working with sprites. Sprites are objects that perform actions in your project or the program that you're going to write. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is click on Create at the Scratch homepage. Whenever you open the user interface for Scratch, you should give your program a name. This is a best practice, and it will help you to go back and find any programs that you're working on. Okay, so let's move on. First thing we're going to do is look at the sprite, which is, the default is always the cat. Let's delete it. We don't want to work with the cat for today's shark attack game. So you right-click, click delete, and now you have deleted your sprite. Okay, so now we're going to choose sprites from the library that comes with the program Scratch. What you want to do is click on the icon. You want to hold down the Shift key, and you want to select the sprites to import into your Scratch stage or user interface. Click OK, and you can see all the sprites have been imported onto my stage. I'm just spreading them out here so they're easier to see. Some of you may want to use the Scratch paint editor. You can do that by clicking on the paintbrush. You can use this to create your own sprites, costumes, and backgrounds. We'll learn more about this later. But just go ahead and when you have a chance, familiarize yourself with the paint editor. You can also import your own sprite. Click on the blue folder icon, choose your sprite, click open, and your sprite will appear on the stage. Okay, so we have a problem. Our fish are bigger than our shark. I want to make the shark larger than the fish and then also make the fish smaller. So I click on the shark and then I click on costumes. So what we can do is we can adjust the size of the shark. Okay, now that our shark is the right size, our fish are much too big. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on each sprite or fish, and we're going to click on costume, and then we're going to adjust the size. We can make each fish smaller than the shark. You'll remember that I imported my own sprite into Scratch. Because I imported a bitmap image, or my clownfish, into Scratch, I need to convert it to a vector. A vector will allow me to adjust the size. So we're going to talk a little bit more about bitmap and vector images later in the course, but here you can see I can now adjust my clownfish and I'm ready to go. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning about sprites. Please go to Moodle so you can see the next step for today's assignment. Thank you.